What are you doing, Ella? What are you doing? Peekaboo. You doing peekaboo? Where's Ella? Where's Ella? You gonna sit in there? It looks like a little boat, huh? Is that comfortable?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Capsize. Ella overboard. Ella, wave to the camera. Say hi.
Ella, what are you doing?
Say hi. Can you wave? You're gonna get in your house? That's the dog's house. That's the dog's house.
That's Madonna's boyfriend.
Like 22.
Holy cow.
And she's, I think she's 50.
Oh my god, what a
Yeah, she's 50, gonna be 52, I think.
30 years younger, I could never imagine that.
Do you like playing with the dog's house?
My daughter looks so much like her.
Yeah. Yeah, she's her spitting image from the, especially whenever she was young, she was still a brunette.
She's really pretty.
Ella, wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Wave. Colin, what do you think of all this? Colin, hey. Let him in his house. Put him in his house, Ella. Okay, now close the door. Be gentle. Good girl. Ella, say bye-bye. Say bye.
No. Don't be mean, Ella.
Are you holding him captive? Mika, say bye.